Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Sabia Khan, Associate Professor, Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, Government College, Ajmer. Dear students, in a previous lecture, I have explained you the structure of the lysosome and its composition. Now, today I am going to explain you the function of the lysosomes. So, summarizing it, who discovered lysosome? Lysosome was discovered by Christian de Duve, and he won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1974 for the discovery of peroxisomes and lysosomes. So, this question is asked, who discovered lysosome and in which year he got the Nobel Prize. Now, coming to the function. Before explaining the function, I would like to summarize what are lysosomes. Lysosomes are the important organelles of the body. The membrane, it is made up of lipid and proteins. They contain the hydrolytic enzymes. The hydrolytic enzymes, they are secreted by the endoplasmic reticulum and they are performing very important function. They are called as the suicide bag or the cell dustbin. What are the function? First, they are helping in heterophagy, the programmed cell death, the autophagy, the autolysis, the fertilization and the chromosomal damage. I am going to explain you one by one. First, you see this diagram, the beautiful diagram, how the lysosomes, they are engulfing. So, as I told you, lysosomes, they are spherical and they are membrane bound organelles. They are generated by the Golgi apparatus. They are not itself active because when endoplasmic reticulum, it is giving the material, raw material, but it is not active. So, how it has become activated? When they come in contact with the Golgi apparatus, they make them activated and so active lysosomes, they are excreted out. And they contain the hydrolytic enzyme. What are hydrolytic enzymes? The enzymes which are breaking the material or the things in the presence of water. So, large molecules, they are broken into smaller molecules so that they can easily be digested. So, lysosome, it is performing very important function in intracellular digestion. Here you can see in the diagram what is happening. A bacterium, now through phagocytosis, it is going inside the body. They are forming the phagosomes. The lysosomes, they get attached to it and they form the phagolysosomes, and the soluble degree through exocytosis, they are solubilized. तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्या करते हैं कि जो ओल्ड सेल्स हो गई हैं उनको भी ईट अप कर देते हैं, है ना, एंड दे ईट ओन सेल्स. सो इट इज, दे आर कॉल्ड एज सुसाइड बैग्स. What is heterophagy? It is a, as I told you, it is a lysosomal digestion and it occurs in two forms, the phagocytosis and the pinocytosis. In human beings, it is occurring like this. Second is the programmed cell death. What is programmed cell death? Here, as you know, they contain lysosomes, they contain high level of hydrolytic enzymes. So, they are potentially harmful to the cell. Or these enzymes, remember, they are very active in the acidic medium. So, these lysosomal enzymes, they will work efficiently when the pH is acidic. They are partial and selective lysosomal membrane. Sometimes this question is asked, what is LMP? Then it is lysosomal membrane permeabilization. So, this control, and they induces control cell death. LMP, it provokes the translocation of lysosomal content to the cytoplasm. So, they causing the permeability. Autophagy, when they eating their own part and maintaining the homeostasis. अब जो cells old हो गई हैं, old हो गए mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, they will get attached to it, engulf them, break them, and so they are helping in this and new will be constructed. Autolysis, it refers, what is autolysis? It refers to the digestion of own cells by the lysosomes. In autolysis, the lysosome क्या करेंगे? What they digest its own cell. And what it happens during amphibian metamorphosis and insect metamorphosis. तो developmental stages है, उसमें भी they are helping very much, these lysosomes. Now another is fertilization. What happens? आप देखिए fertilization process है, इसमें क्या what happens? एक giant lysosomes है, वो sperm head के अंदर है. तो ये रप्चर होंगे। तो जब लाइसोसोम रप्चर होगा तो क्या होगा, एंजाइम्स विल बी रिलीज। एंजाइम्स होंगी तो क्या करेंगे, दीज एंजाइम्स विल कॉज द एग मेम्ब्रेन, जो एग मेम्ब्रेन है ना उनको है ना डाइजेस्ट कर जाएंगी, तो इजी पैसेज हो जाएगा, स्पर्म कैन एंटर द एग सेल, सो दे आर हेल्पिंग इन डाइजेशन। तो डेवलपमेंटल स्टेजेस में हेल्प कर रहे हैं, फर्टिलाइजेशन में हेल्प कर रहे हैं, डाइजेशन में हेल्प कर रहे हैं, and in chromosomal damage also. How they are helping? Due to the presence of DNA enzyme. एक enzyme होती है, तो lysosome they had an ability to attack chromosomes and cause chromosomal breakage. Attack कर सकते हैं chromosomes को, and this break can lead to disease like cancer. तो chromosome जब break होंगे, cells और हो रही हैं multiply, तो this is causing cancer. So see, they are very important organelle. They are helping in intracellular digestion. They are helping in the breakdown of the substances. They are helping through autolysis. They are eating the old cells, helping in developmental stages, in fertilization, etc. So they are very important organelle. And their enzyme, they work potentially, matlab they in the enzyme they work maximum in the acidic medium. So hope you have understood the structure, composition and function of the lysosomes, and in a next lecture I am going to explain you about another important cell organelle, but I am giving an assignment. Please do it. Describe the structure, composition and function of the lysosomes. And you are going to give this assignment within week. Till then, goodbye and thank you.